Think of the difference between distance and midpoint. Distance is actually a distance between points, so it's in units. Midpoint is a point, so you'll have an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate, and the midpoint of a line segment is a point on the segment midway between two endpoints. Since it's halfway, actually the x-coordinate of the midpoint will be the average of the x-coordinates of the endpoints, and the y-coordinate of the midpoint will be the average of the y-coordinates of the endpoints. So keep that in mind, and let's find the midpoint of the line segment joining these 2 points. To find the midpoint, the x value of the midpoint is the average of the x values of these points. So how do we find the average? We add -2 plus -6, and we divide by 2. Then for the y-coordinate of the midpoint, it's the average of these y-coordinates. How do we find the average of 2 numbers? We add them, -5 plus 12, and we divide by 2. And let's go ahead then and write down what this simplifies to. That's -2 plus -6, that's -8 divided by 2, that is -4. -5 plus 12, that's 7. I can write that as 7/2 or 3 1/2. I'll write it as 7/2. So here is my midpoint.